Never heard of Warner Enterprise before, but full benefits and a salary up to 70 to 80K does sound nice. Trans Am Trucking is hiring too, and you don't need a high school diploma? That's perfect. Schneider National is also hiring. Well, I suppose with regional driving, I'll make a good salary and be home for dinner. There's such a demand for truckers, but I don't even know where to get started. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I've seen a ton of flyers for truck drivers, and I was just wondering, how did you get into the industry?
Well, I went to the Truck Driver Institute. It's a 3-week course, and after you graduate, you have your commercial driver's license. They offer over 80% job placement, and you wanna know what the best part is?
What's that?
You can get started as little as $225 out of pocket.
That sounds like exactly what I need.
Give them a call.
I'll do that.
Truck Driver Institute.
Hi, I'd like to enroll in your CDL program.